Hello everyone, today we are going to go through downloading Google Earth and then also uploading your installed tile runs to a Google Earth image. That way you can print off an overhead snapshot of that field that you have tiled. So first off, we're going to open up a web browser. So click on Chrome or Microsoft Edge and type in Google Earth Desktop Download. So you're going to search this, so Google Earth Desktop Download, hit enter, and then you're going to click on the tab that says Earth Versions. Go ahead and click on that. The next page that pops up, you are going to click on Google Earth Pro on desktop. It's going to scroll down and then give you a download link right here, and go ahead and click on that. You'll have to agree to some things, so I'm just going to hit accept and download. And now you'll see Google Earth download in the bottom left corner of your web browser. So just go ahead, once that's done downloading, go ahead and click on that. This is going to open up here. So let your computer go through that. Hit yes when it asks if you want to allow this app to make changes to your device. Hit yes. Now you're going to see Google Earth install on your computer. And you can do this both on your SD drain monitor or your desktop at home. And in this case, we are on our SD drain, the PX501. Installation complete. Go ahead and hit close, and then you can close your web browser as well. The next thing that we're going to do is we are going to go into SD drain tile, and we are going to perform an export. So you're going to want to go into the exact field and job that you, or project that you are wanting to export. So I have a grower farm field, so this is my field that I want to export from, so north 80, and then I'm going to scroll until I find my correct project. So I'm going to click on that, and you'll see I've got a whole bunch of tile runs up on top. I'm going to hit continue, and then I'm going to hit start project. It's asking some errors that are coming up that are telling me my DAC is not connected. I am in the office at this point. I'm going to stop connection on both my GPS and my DAC. And then to export this folder, I'm going to go to Settings, then I'm going to go to Program, and then Export, and then I'm going to go to Project. So this is going to export all of your tile runs and everything associated with the above, or that the overhead map and this project. So go ahead and hit Project, and then I'm just going to click OK on this, and it's going to export to the GK data folder, so just hit OK. Then you'll see a status bar pop up, and this will keep on spinning. Just let it go through it. It'll do a couple of different things here, so just let it do its thing. So then here it's going to tell you that it was exported to the C drive, GK data, so that my grower, Happy Farms, farm is John Doe, and field is B North 80. And then inside the project, tile 10/6/2020, and then there's an export folder there. So I'm going to hit OK here, and then I'm going to minimize this window, so minimize tile, and then I'm going to go into my GK data folder. So go to this PC, go into the C drive, and then go into GK data. And this is your grower, so I'm going to do Happy Farms. John Doe was my farm, and then B North 80 was my field, and then 10, so tile 10/6/2020. Then inside that, here's my new exports file. So I'm going to double click into that, and then you'll notice, so since we installed Google Earth on your computer, you now have a little Google Earth icon next to these KML files. So what you can do now is just double click on the install tile layer, and really that would be the one that I would upload to Google Earth. So you've got a couple other ones, survey points, but you're going to want to do the install tile layer. Don't do the install points, do the install tile layer. So I'm going to double click on this. We'll double click the install tile layer, the KML, and you're going to see that it's going to automatically open up into Google Earth. So as I double click on that, Google Earth is going to open up, and here you can expand this open. We can just drag this corner down here, and we'll see it zoom right into these tile layers. So you can see there is my field. And what I'm going to do now is I'm actually going to move my map around here a little bit. Let's see, I'm going to expand this window just to make it bigger. And now we've got our Google Earth image. So there's some things that you can do here. I'm actually going to manipulate the map a little bit. I'm going to move some things around, and I'm going to center these tile lines on my map here. And then what I'm going to do is I have the option to just print this out. So I'm going to click the print button, and it's going to let you add a title. So I'm just going to call this, let's see, well, let's just name it the same thing as my field. So B North 80. And then you can add a description here. I'm going to go, let's just say we did 35-foot spacing, just so you guys have some notes on what you've done. And then just go ahead, and now you can click either Save PDF, which that's going to you can save it to a location on your computer, or you can print this out. So I'm just going to save it to a PDF right now. Then you can print that off if you want. But let's go to our desktop. We'll just save it there. So file name, we're just going to call it B North 80. And then I'm going to save that. So now it's going to print or prepare my map or my PDF. So that is going to be my PDF that I've created. So this is Google Earth. I'm going to minimize this. And I'm going to minimize this as my data again. So minimize this, and now you can see I've got B North 80 PDF here to load. So if you double click on that, now you can load this up, and this is a printable image that you guys can use. So if you go to File and Print, then you can go ahead and select the printer on your network. And if you can't print from your PX501, go ahead and just drag and drop this into a USB stick, and then transfer it over to a desktop or a computer that is connected to a network with a printer. That is it, guys. Thanks again. Thanks for tuning in to another video.